Welcome to Gear versus Gear. The best Purina Pro Plan is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make for your feline friend, as the right nutrition can significantly impact their overall health, energy levels, and even the longevity of their lives, making it crucial to delve into the specifics of what makes this particular brand stand out in a crowded market filled with countless options vying for your attention and your cat's discerning palate. Number 5. IAMS Proactive Health Indoor Weight and Hairball Care Dry Cat Food. Introducing IAMS Proactive Health, specially formulated for your indoor feline friend. It supports their overall well-being, keeping them happy and healthy. Veterinarians trust and recommend IAMS. Give your cat the nutrition they need for a vibrant life, supporting their whole body health with every meal. Experience the Proactive 5 difference. These scientifically designed benefits support 5 key areas of your cat's health, ensuring they stay full of life. Made with real chicken as the #1 ingredient, this nutrient-rich food provides high-quality protein. It's delicious and supports a healthy, active body. Our formula includes a special fiber blend designed to help minimize hairballs before they even start. Keep your cat comfortable and free from hairball issues. Promote a happy tummy with our tailored blend of natural fiber and prebiotics. It's designed to support healthy digestion for your cat. What we like. If your cat struggles with hairballs or you're looking for a food specifically designed for indoor cats, this is a great choice. It features real chicken as the first ingredient and a special fiber blend to help manage hairballs before they start. Choose this if you want to support your indoor cat's specific needs and keep them feeling their best. What people say. The food is made with real chicken as the first ingredient. My cat loves the taste and texture of this food. The kibble size is perfect for my small cat to chew easily. Number 4. Purina Friskies Gravy Swirlers Dry Cat Food. Experience the delicious taste of chicken, salmon, and gravy baked right in. It's a flavor combination your cat will absolutely love. This is a complete cat food, providing 100% balanced nutrition. It ensures your feline friend gets everything they need. Our protein-packed kibble contains 40 essential nutrients. These support your cat's overall health and well-being. It powers playtime while supporting immune and heart health. Give them the best for an active life. Add excitement to every meal with this delightful dry cat food. It offers great nutrition with an irresistible taste and texture. What we like. For the cat that loves a bit of excitement at mealtime, this option offers a unique texture and flavor experience. The gravy swirls baked right into the kibble make it irresistible. If you're looking to add a delicious twist to your cat's diet while ensuring they get 100% complete and balanced nutrition, this is the one to try. What people say. This food is great for my cat with sensitive stomach. My cat loves the taste of this food. The ingredients are all natural and healthy. Number 3. Nutrish Indoor Complete Chicken, Lentils and Salmon Recipe Dry Cat Food. Give your feline friend the best with our premium dry cat food. It's packed with wholesome ingredients like chicken, lentils, and salmon to keep them healthy and happy. Our special whole health blend formula is designed to support an active mind, promote healthy digestion, and encourage a playful lifestyle. It's the complete nutrition they need. Formulated with essential omega-3 fatty acids, natural prebiotics, and high-quality protein, this food provides holistic nutrition. It ensures your cat receives all the benefits for optimal well-being. Crafted with natural ingredients, this cat food is enhanced with added vitamins, minerals, and other vital nutrients. It's a natural choice for your cat's health. Every purchase you make not only nourishes your beloved pet but also helps support animals in need. A portion of the proceeds goes to the Rachel Ray Foundation. What we like. If you're seeking a holistic approach to your cat's well-being, this formula is worth considering. It's designed to support an active mind, healthy digestion, and a playful lifestyle with omega-3 fatty acids and natural prebiotics. Plus, every purchase contributes to helping animals in need, making it a feel-good choice. What people say. The food is great for my cat with sensitive stomach. My cat loves the taste and texture of this food. This food has helped my cat maintain a healthy weight. Number 2. Purina Cat Chow Complete High Protein Dry Cat Food. Whether you have playful kittens or mature cats, this food is formulated to meet their nutritional needs at every stage of life. Crafted with real, farm-raised chicken, it provides the high-quality protein necessary to support your cat's strong muscles. Enriched with omega-6 fatty acids, this kibble promotes healthy skin and contributes to a beautifully shiny coat. Packed with 25 essential vitamins and minerals, it ensures your feline friend receives comprehensive support for their overall health. With healthy carbohydrates, this formula provides the vital energy your cat needs to thrive throughout the day. Give your cat the complete and balanced nutrition they deserve, all in a taste they'll love. What we like. This is a fantastic all-around option, especially if you have multiple cats or a growing kitten. It provides high-quality protein from real chicken to support strong muscles and omega-6 fatty acids for a shiny coat. If you need a versatile food that caters to cats at every stage of life, this is a reliable pick. What people say. The kibble size is perfect for my small breed dog, making it easy for him to chew and digest. My cat loves the taste of this food and has shown improved coat health since switching to it. The resealable bag keeps the food fresh for longer, which is a great feature. Number 1. Solid Gold Weight Management Grain-Free Dry Cat Food. Introducing our specially formulated dry cat food, designed to help your adult cat achieve and maintain a healthy weight. It's crafted with delicious Alaskan pollock and essential probiotics to support their well-being. This grain-free and gluten-free formula provides complete nutrition without unnecessary fillers. It's a healthy choice that supports their digestive health and overall wellness, ensuring they get the best without compromising on taste. Packed with high-quality protein, this food helps build and maintain lean muscle mass. It also supports a healthy metabolism and provides omega fatty acids for overall vitality, making it ideal for active adult cats. We've included prebiotics and live probiotics to promote a healthy gut flora and balanced digestion. This makes it an excellent choice for cats needing digestive support or those with sensitive stomachs. Even with a low calorie count to aid in weight management, this food doesn't sacrifice flavor. The omega-rich pollock promotes a shiny coat and supports immune health, making it a delightful meal for your feline friend. Whether your cat spends their time indoors or enjoys outdoor adventures, this formula is perfect. It supports their weight management goals while providing essential nutrients for a healthy and happy life. What we like. If your feline friend needs help managing their weight or you prefer a grain-free diet, this food is an excellent solution. It's formulated with Alaskan pollock and probiotics to support healthy digestion and weight management without compromising on taste. Choose this if you're looking for a low-calorie, grain-free option that also promotes gut health. What people say. This food is great for my cat with sensitive stomach. My cat loves the taste of this food and it has helped with her digestion. The ingredients are all natural and healthy for my cat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.